What you got there?
I don't know. We just made it to my hole.
Got him on the planer board.
Only the way I feel him kicking, I hope he's hooked good. I'm liking these planer boards. Second time we've used them. I'm liking these big cat fever rods also.
Yeah, I might have to put the camera down here. I got one biting on mine.
Okay.
Let me see what happens with it. I'm gonna just try to keep up with it. He's got the planer under now, doesn't he?
Yeah, the planer's under.
There it comes back up. It's a good looking fish. He's got to be a pretty good one to pull that planer down like that.
I thought it was going to take all the drag off my reel for a second.
Let me get the net ready.
Old Mad Catter HD hook.
It's hard to video and get the net and everything ready.
Yeah. You gotta try catching 4 fish at once on video. Gets rough. He's not as big as what I think he is, this current.
Yeah, we do have a pretty unusual current today. There he comes up. I know, he's pretty dandy.
That's a good one. Try pulling closer.
Ain't no way I can help you till he gets here. Whoop, he spun his head down. Oh, all right, he's in the net. I'm gonna let you have the net. Pull him up over. He's chunky.
Oh.
That's a good one. Huh? Right here.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Lay him out on that, when you get him out of the net, just throw the net back in the holder. Lay him out there and see how many inches he is on that.
Mad Catter HD got
right
him
in
good.
the corner, yeah.
Right in the corner of the jaw. Piece of bait about the size of my thumb.
Yeah, they're eating a little bait today.
I did it again.
Broke your leader again?
Keep breaking my leader somehow.
Yeah. At least he's in here. You want to set him up here or down there?
Get that net there.
Okay. There's a 40-inch rule right there. Let's see what it says. He is 39 inches long, looks like. Slide his head around there a little bit. Pull him up. Right. Back to me, back to me. Back to me. Right, just a hair forward, right there.
40 inches.
40 inches exactly. I'll try to put him on the scale. Here you go. Let me get the scale ready here. Make sure I zero it out. 0 it is. Slip that through there. All right. Oh God, you're gonna have to hold it up. Says 36.24. 36.24.
Close to my personal best right there.
All right, go ahead and let him loose. It's a good one. Now I'm gonna have to turn the video off here so I can get a few pictures.